Hello guys, so in this video I want to show how I download the Arduino IDE onto the Raspberry Pi desktop. Now I had some issues to actually use a web browser on my Raspberry Pi because I'm on VNC here to get it. So what I did was a file transfer. I used on my Windows computer. I downloaded um, it was Linux ARM 32-bit software for Arduino IDE because I use the command uname -m on my Raspberry Pi, and that is linked to a 32-bit download. Anyways, so I've seen a lot of people having problems with this. Now, what I did a transfer of the file to a folder here called Arduino. Then I CD into Arduino, and you can see the tar file here. Then I did an extraction of the tar file, right? And I had the Arduino 1819 here. Now I had to move this file to the ops folder, so I did a sudo move the folder that I got here to ops directory, op directory. So now let's go to the op directory here. So in op directory, you see I have Arduino 1819 here. I cd into that folder. Then I did ls to find the contents of that folder. And here you have install.sh. And that's when I use sudo/install.sh. And I successfully downloaded the Arduino IDE to my Raspberry Pi. Here you have that. Then I went into file here. I went into preferences. I changed the font size to 14, and I enabled display line numbers. So that is what I have done so far. I just want to share the method that I use because so one other technique you can use if you cannot download the Arduino IDE using the web browser on the Raspberry Pi is to download it onto your Windows computer. You can use WinSCP, or you can try SCP. In this case, I have Samba enabled, so I was just able to transfer the file. Alright guys, so I don't know where this journey is gonna go, but this is what I have done so far. Now have the Arduino IDE on my Raspberry Pi. Alright, so maybe follow me to see what will be the next step in this journey. Bye for now.